Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Irresistibleme lace frontal wig. As you guys can tell, the hair is giving what it's supposed to give. So yeah, the hair actually came in this gorgeous packaging, and the packaging also is recyclable, so you can recycle the package if you're done, or you can also store your hair in the package if you like. So I love the packaging. Really, it also comes with an instructions of how to take good care of your hair as well. Very cute and very sturdy as well. So yeah, that's what the packaging looks like, and this is the star of the show, guys. Look at the color of this hair. The color is absolutely stunning, like seriously. The construction of the cap is clueless, so you get 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and you also get your elastic strap as well, so you don't have to use any glue or gel to install the hair. You can actually use the elastic strap to install your hair, but in this video I'm not going to use any glue or gel. I'm just going to be using the ebony spray to install the hair. So all I did was just cut off the excess lace, on the hair tab, and then spray the hairspray on the hair and on the lace or where I was gonna install the hair, and then place the elastic band, and voila. I actually waited for like 15 minutes for this to set in, and then everything is all good. So I cut off the excess lace, and that was it. Very easy, very straightforward. And then we are ready to style our wig. So I really like the lace of this wig. It's so gorgeous that it melted into my skin effortlessly. Like, sis, show me the lace. This is actually my natural hair. You can't tell me otherwise. The hairline looks so natural, and that's because of the lace, guys. The lace is very easy to work with, and as you guys can tell, it's melted into my skin effortlessly. You can't tell me that this is not my natural hair. And then this is style 1, guys. What do you think? The rough bun is burning. Yeah, so this is the first style that I went for, because a lot of you guys always ask me how I achieve this, rough bun with my wig. This is how I do it, off and on camera. And with the lace of this wig, I am speechless. Like, seriously, this is my hair. You can actually go for baby hair, because the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. But as you guys already know, I'm not a fan of baby hair, but everyone to their taste. But second style is the same as the first, but with a bit of spice to it. I used the one to achieve a 1 coils on the bun this time. Then we adjust the bun, and then the front side also I curl it outward, if that makes sense. But everything I did in this video is self-explanatory, so depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. I really love the quality of this hair. The hair is really soft and very voluminous as well. I love the fact that I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever, and I love the fact that the hair also took to curls really well. I love the fact that the hair is also true to length, and I didn't experience any shedding or tangling throughout the styling of the hair. Another thing I love about this hair is the fact that the color is exactly the same as it was on their website, which for me is just amazing. If you guys don't know Irresistibleme, they are a brand that sells all types of hair on their website. I know you guys already know. I've been working with them for like almost 4 years now or so, and I love the fact that the quality of their hair is always amazing. I always work with their clipping hair, so this is the first time I'm trying their wig, and guys, I am speechless. The quality of their wig is fantastic, just like their clipping. So if you have never tried their wig before, I highly recommend that you do so, because the quality of this hair is just perfection, amazing. I am speechless. I really can't express how much I love this hair. The quality, the color, the packaging, everything about this hair screams perfection, and I am in for it. The color is giving what it's supposed to give, and I am loving it so far. So yeah, in terms of their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get in UK, which for me is really amazing. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that you guys check out their website. They have loads of amazing hairstyles, colors, lengths, and clip-ons on their website. So if you check out their website, you will definitely find something for you and your loved ones. And they also have all types of colors on their website and instruction on how to take good care of your hair as well. And they also have good customer service, and yeah, I'm a huge fan. I've been working with them for very long time, and I can guarantee you that if you purchase any hair from them, you will definitely thank me later. So yeah, that's it for today's look, guys. What do you think? Look at those curls. Despite the fact that I went for a quick one, I am still feeling myself. I'm still wearing the hair right now, and the curls are still popping, and the quality of the hair for me is just out of this world. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that you guys check them out and let me know what you guys think. And so that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any question about the hair, feel free to leave it in comment section or send me an email and I'll be happy to reply. Thank you guys. I'll see you in my next one, and don't forget to check out Irresistibleme website for more amazing gorgeous hair at affordable price and amazing quality. Thank you guys. See you in my next one. Bye guys.